If your AI character looks different every time you change the scene, it's no coincidence. Normal prompts do not protect identity. This is exactly why JSON prompts are needed. Describing a character is not enough. You need control over what stays the same. In this video, I'll show you how to lock identity and keep your character consistent across every scene. Let's jump in.
In simple terms, JSON prompting is a structured way to talk to AI. With normal prompts, everything is mixed together. The character, the clothes, the scene, the camera, all in one block of text. That's why the model sometimes changes things you didn't intend to change. JSON prompting gives you more control by separating each part and giving it a clear role. You're telling the model exactly what matters. For single images, normal prompts usually work just fine. But when the prompt gets complex, especially when you need the same character to stay consistent across multiple scenes and don't want to regenerate each shot over and over, JSON prompting can be a better option. In this section, I want to show you how I create a JSON prompt using Google Gemini. First, I use Google Gemini to build a gem. A gem is basically like a custom GPT, with the advantage that you can create it for free. I've already prepared a clear instruction set for this gem. Based on those instructions, the gem has only one job. I give it a simple text description, and it returns a structured JSON prompt. In Google Gemini, create a new gem from here. Write a name, add description, then paste the instruction here and save it. Start new chat and add your simple prompt. After that, I take this JSON prompt and combine it with a reference image. I use reference image to lock in the character's identity. Things like the face, hair color, hairstyle, and eye color stay consistent. Finally, I send both the JSON prompt and the reference image to my image generation model. In my case, I use Nano Banana Pro inside Higgsfield AI. You can use Google Nano Banana Pro for free on Google Flow. In the image section, upload your reference image and select the model. You can use my file as it is, or if you want to change what stays fixed and what stays flexible, you can simply edit the JSON file first and then use it for your own images. I also used it to generate cartoon-style images. If you try this workflow for creating AI-consistent characters, let me know in the comments. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.